We're gonna break it somehow, some way.
That was so painful.
That's pretty tough. All right, guys, we're super excited to be here today at Fremont with you, and we have this brand new, well, I guess it's slightly used, okay, slightly used Santa Cruz 5-ply carbon fiber indestructible skateboard deck with Fetty's old trucks. I feel like you playing that so you can win this game. So we're gonna play a game of skate. The winner gets the first attempt at breaking this board.
Yeeting it.
We're gonna break it somehow, some way. If it's impossible to break, we're gonna find a way to break it.
It's not impossible, I'm here.
I think first we should do a whole chip test thing.
No, after the game of skate.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Let's go.
Whoa!
Oh! Wait.
Hey, wait.
Okay, you two for first.
What is that? Why do you do that? He goes like this, and then at the last minute he goes.
Dang it.
Uzi, Nigel, Fetty, Aaron. All right, you ready?
Yeah. It's wide. It's like an 8.5, and it's a lot bigger than the trucks, but that's okay. This is pretty poppy.
Wow.
Uzi, you ready? Yeah, what size is the board?
I don't know. I think it's really big though. It is really big.
Okay, Uzi. Why is he doing the robot?
I don't know.
He does it, dude. He does
First trick.
He tries to throw you off.
Who am I? I'm Uzi. I'll throw you off.
Nah, you can switch flip though.
I have to do something now to prove a point to Gabe.
Switch flip first try?
He can't switch flip. All right, he got me.
That's pretty good. Who's second?
You landed a switch flip?
I know, right?
I thought you died.
I challenged him.
Ow.
Hey, that wasn't bad.
Kurt Cobain strikes again.
Oh yeah, Fetty.
Sure, Fetty. I see where it's at. Okay.
Oh. Both stances first try. Oh! Ollie late flip.
Learning what you were saying with I flicked too early.
Drag, flick.
Yeah.
Drag, flick. Don't be impatient.
I did kickflip front no slide
We get there eventually.
yesterday.
How's the board feel?
It feels good. Let's see if I can land a regular kickflip.
This board is super wide, but it's pretty lightweight, so it doesn't really throw you off. It is only 5-ply.
It's true. The thing that throws me off a little bit is the trucks are skinnier than the board. But you know, it's all mental. Now that I said that, he'll never land a trick again.
Oh! Yeah, you got him. All right, Nigel, you're up. Whoa! Good. I'm excited to see Aaron try it.
The hardest trick in skateboarding.
My arch nemesis, no more. I mastered them. Aaron, you were right. You got in his head.
It's hard, yeah. The trucks are too small.
Wow.
Fetty, the trucks are too small.
Oh. Oh!
Felt like I twisted every bone in my fuselage.
Why don't they make sunglass lenses as contacts?
Bright light.
That was so painful.
Ow! My eyes are sensitive to bright light. Look at him, he's dying.
I stomped it in primo. Ah, my foot's broken in half. You guys are struggling. Look at what happens. You get into the sun, you forget how to skate.
Begin the war of attrition. Let's go.
Ow!
Just get me warmed up, starting no game of skate with switch flip kit. He's beginning to believe.
Oh!
I guess it's defense. I guess we'll give it to him.
You did a frontside flip?
Aaron's amazing at frontside
The
flip.
war of attrition.
Is he? Are you
Yeah.
really good at frontside? I didn't know that.
End game.
Whoa! Ooh!
Am I at T yet?
What now, Gabe Cruz? There's got to get somebody a letter.
My legs feel like uncooked meatloaf. Oh! Held on to that.
I had to do some harder tricks, I guess.
Give it a bop bop. Boom 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 boom.
Body.
Body! I feel like Nigel's mad at me.
It's actually very comfortable.
How are you doing, man?
I don't know. It depends on what day it is. Is it Friday? Saturday, not good.
Landed it.
We may as well do every stance.
Oh!
Wow, that's perfect. There's no toe, no heel, no nothing.
Why does this board land in primo so much? One more try, Uzi. I'm gonna rage quit with this board.
You can't. You're even mad and you won't be able to break it.
Like, you barely ever land primo, but this board has landed primo 3 times in this game. Oh yeah!
Dang.
Dang. Betty has to practice those for when he plays games of skate against me. Wait, hold up. Hey, we got some side bets going on over here.
What side bet?
He said if Fetty wins, he's gonna buy him a soda.
If Fetty wins?
Yeah.
Who's gonna buy? You're gonna buy Fetty soda?
You said Fetty.
Whoever wins. Okay, okay.
Yeah, one more try, Uzi. Nigel.
Nope, I'm not gonna land.
No, dude, no. Do it for me.
I'm gonna try.
Just kickflip, turn those shoulders, man.
I don't backside.
Turn those shoulders. All right, now you gotta pop, get that good 180. Oh! Yes. It looked like you wanted to land that, and then we're like, nah, I'm tired, and then just gave up.
I could have landed it, but then I didn't.
3 out of the 4 of us have laid down right there.
Do I do it again?
He was going for the throat.
Aaron's gone. He threw the board and now he is gone. DQ'd. So it's me and Nigel now. I'm gonna win this. You know, this board is doing a really good job of getting everyone angry enough to actually break it. Except for me. Except for you. You're chilling. Oh! Oh, Aaron's out here at practice. The board is so big. You're up.
You know what Apple should do? Make it to where if you're playing a song and you want me to listen to it, like I could just like airdrop it and listen to it at the same time.
You know what Apple should do?
What?
Make an Apple Watch that can take pictures. You know what
Like
Apple should do? They should make the caramel apple. What a great game, boy.
Nobody can land any tricks. Dude.
What is going on?
It's just the sun, the wind, the rain, the moon, and the sunshine.
Out of the dip.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Ow!
Sorry.
Scream. It's there. I know it is.
No, it's not. It's not a scream. It's more of a
Ow.
Ooh, that's what we needed to get us back in the game. Come on, let's go. Back to basics, baby. I'm gonna do this as Nigel as possible.
You got that steez right there. You see that? I like it.
Dang.
Just like one buffalo wing. Yeah, same.
What just happened? Troy was in the way with his flash. I was 10 feet away.
Is it my turn?
Oh!
Let's go, people.
Did the same thing.
Dude, that was great. Oh, that's T.
You wanna see my booty?
Whoa! You have one more try.
Oh, thank the heavens.
Yeet! I'll break this with a smile, brother. You think you got it? First snap? Yeah.
Ready? What do you? Oh,
Now it's empty over here. We're good.
Gosh, it's like so much freedom. You can breathe, you can smell, you can hear, you can be.
Hey. Oh, hey.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Bodied! He lost both shoes.
Too big. That's what it is. Uno más. took every ounce of energy I've had for the past 6 months to land that.
Dang.
Great, great, thanks. I mean, I slammed it pretty hard on the nose and nothing, literally nothing.
Oh, flamingo. All right, that's an A for Fetty. I wanted that view so bad. That's T to T.
As I said in Mortal Kombat, finish him!
Oh.
Wang Danga.
Oh, one more try.
If I can't land a hard flip in 2 tries, I will literally quit skateboarding forever. Told you. No! You gotta try some other things first. It's just so big, it's so hard to flip.
Let's do a nose chip test.
Okay, to the stairs? Ah! Damage report, let me see.
Nothing.
Literally nothing. Here's the stomp though.
Let's stop. A little bit. It's cracked.
Very slightly. But what would it take to do that, like actually skateboarding?
Yo, you should have seen Uzi break his board.
Barely.
That's pretty good.
It's very
This thing
good.
needs to get chopped in half right now.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Still going, I mean, I don't see a problem with it at all. Troy messed me up. If it wasn't for Troy, I would have landed that. Fetty, break the nose and tail.
I'll try to.
That's pretty tough. 10 years. Oh,
Dang.
that's strong.
That's really good.
This is the most impressive chip situation. Not necessarily the break in the middle, but the anti-chips is one of the most impressive. Yeah, look, see? If we did that with your board, it would be completely obliterated. Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. This is your year, 2019. Let's go, Braille Army.